Now uGox Koteni is no longer a Sangoma. She is no longer uGobela. She announced publicly ukuthi lento yemithi like seka grinding ngayo. Seka yena seka umntwana kaNkulunkulu. And understand ukuthi why abantu nabayeka lento yobusangoma and then bese bathi they are now abantwana bakaNkulunkulu, as if mawuyisangoma you are not a child of God, as if mawuyisangoma you will never have a relationship noNkulunkulu. Understand lapho, but asikho lapho, it's fine. La ngikhona ukuthi there's people who have paid her imali believing ukuthi uzobathwasisa. There's people who have paid her imali because of they wanted to have the same connection that she has with her ancestors. And there's people abakade bahlushwa into zabo abaya kuye for uncedo. And what I know ukuthi mawumzulu uyisangoma mawuthwasisa abantu, whether it's Tswana, Xhosa, Shangaan, Venda, uzobathwasisa nge-understanding yakho, which is the Zulu understanding because of your ancestors are Zulu. So khona abaTswana, khona amashangani, khona amavenda. There's different types of people abaya kuGox Koteni and wabathwasisa, wabafaka ledlozi kuye, wabafaka lelo dlozi lelo. Now labo bantu labo mele bayenze kanjani manje, because the owner of idlozi akasazingeni. What must those people do? After thousands and thousands they have paid, then they are now being told ukuthi yabona lo muntu bekanifundisa. Not even told ukuthi lo muntu bekanifundisa. Yilo muntu obafundisayo uthi bafethu angisayingeni mina le, I'm now a child of God. Then uthini kulabantu laba? Are you saying ukuthi lento eniyenzayo ayinaNkulunkulu and lento eniyenzayo you will never have a relationship with God? Are you saying ukuthi lento eniyenzayo it's never a calling from God? And are you saying ukuthi lento eniyenzayo ubu Satan? Uthini kahle kahle? And those who have paid, is there a way yokuthi they can probably sue her? Ngoba lento yokuthi uzenze into ngasiyiyo. Let me not say into ngasiyiyo. Lento yokuthi uzenze into and then whenever it suits you, you are now saying hey mina ngisekho da, and people have paid most. Do we now have to say ukuthi she's a fraudster? Mina, that's my opinion. That's how I think of her. Ukuthi she has fraudster ways. I mean, awukwazi ukuthi namhlanje uyisangoma, then you eat people's monies, and then nekusasa bese uthi hey angisayingeni leyo. It means ukuthi I'm a fraudster mangenza kanjalo. Because of manje ngisesontweni angithi. And remember ukuthi she has a title, Gox Koteni. People know her for that. So nanoma zoyesontweni, she won't just be an ordinary member. Uzonikezwe isikhundla lapha. You'll see her preaching, you'll see her giving a higher position, and then maybe ngathiwa futhi sekashade maybe umfundisi asazi sengasho nje. Or maybe she has now started her own church, and there's people who go there. And labo bantu abaya lapho, they will also give out money. Now, is it safe to say ukuthi once unikele esontweni lakhe, this person will then be able to pray for you? And this person will be able then to assist you financially where you struggle? Or is it also another thing yokuthi she'll just chow whatever she's chowing there financially, and then makaqeda lapho she'll come out futhi and say, hey guys, angisasunga umfundisi, I'm now something else. And then we must also be okay about it. It's not okay, bafethu. It's not okay. It's not okay. There's people who have paid money. There's parents out there who have trusted her ngabantwana babo. And there's kids that she has told abazali babo ukuthi usafe makanami, and lento engiyenzayo God approves it. But manje masuthi wena umntwana kaNkulunkulu, then uthini kahle kahle? Uthini? Oh, one more thing. And konke lokho engikushilo ne, it's allegedly. Angifuni inkinga, please.